Hello friends, in this lecture we will see guide curve and the drive is this time I'm using Racetrack. So how to use I'm going to tell you. So this is the model and I have a guide curve, one guide curve, and here I have a tool. This is ball mill tool. Just added it. Okay, and okay, tool number. Okay, so from create operation, select this tool operation, fix axis guiding curve, and my program location is program, and tool is ball mill, and workpiece is my geometry, and my method is finish. So first I'm going to use constant offset, then I will tell you the difference between racetrack and the constant offset. So my guide is this, and from geometry is this. Okay, and from main my path is zigzag, cut pattern is zigzag, and along guide and cut order from outside to in. So outside to in it will come towards this curve. Okay, exactly one is a step over, and I don't require the smooth, it is already according to the curve. So generate. See, here it is coming according to the path. Okay, just click OK, and I am going to copy this and paste inside and double click. Now just change this pattern type to racetrack around guide, and my guide is this, that is okay, and here it is zigzag, it is also okay, and my direction is clockwise or counterclockwise, anything you can select. So I'm keeping this clockwise, and cut order is towards guide. Okay, it will start from outside to guide, and exactly the same exact one is a step over, and the cutting area is still same. And let's see the toolpath. See, here it is circular, and whereas it is as per the guide, and here it is according to the geometry. Okay, and double click over it, and I want to change this point 0.5 and generate it. And use this play from outside to in towards guide. Okay, so hope you understand this, how to use this racetrack around guide. Sometimes it is very useful.